सर समीना।
अच्छा ठीक है बच्चे, कोई बात नहीं। बट वेनेवर देखो, इसको ऐसे कर सोच के कर सकते हो आप असाइनमेंट को कि देखो मेरा कल एग्जाम है, एग्जाम को मैं जो है प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए कुछ क्वेश्चंस ले लेता हूँ। सो यू कैन थिंक लाइक दिस लिटिल बिट, जस्ट हाफ एन आवर आप देखो प्रैक्टिस कभी भी मैथ्स को लेकर खास तौर पे ये कहूंगा कि हाफ एन आवर, 1.5, 45 to 1 आवर, 45 मिनट टू 1 आवर आप रोज मैथ्स को दो एटलीस्ट। अगर आपको देखो, इट्स अप टू यू कि आप आगे मैथ्स कंटिन्यू करोगे या नहीं, बट राइट नाउ यू आर इन 10th एंड यू हैव टू फेस द बोर्ड्स। तो हाफ एन आवर टू 45 या फिर 60 मिनट्स आप मैथ्स के लिए डेडिकेट कर दो कि मैथ्स कुछ भी हो जाए, मैथ्स करनी है मैंने। ठीक है। हेलो जसलीन, अच्छा मोहम्मद, अजमत, अजमत, हाउ आर यू अजमत बच्चे?
Yeah, sir. Alhamdulillah. I'm good. How are you?
ओके, आई एम गुड डियर, थैंक्स सो मच फॉर आस्किंग। सो लेट मी चेक जो क्वेश्चन थे। लास्ट क्लास में कहाँ थे अजमत बच्चे?
No, sir. I didn't attend last class.
हाँ लास्ट क्लास में, वही तो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, आप कहाँ थे लास्ट क्लास में?
Sir, थोड़ा सा busy था sir. Actually थोड़ा काम
अच्छा
हो रहा था इसलिए.
बच्चों, एग्जाम वो क्या कहते हैं, क्लास मत मिस करो, बहुत ज्यादा आपका टाइम कम है, आपका बोर्ड सर पे है एकदम, क्लास मिस मत करो बिल्कुल। ठीक है। ये क्वेश्चन था, देखो फर्स्ट वाला पार्ट आपको देता हूँ मैं करने के लिए, 2 मिनट्स हैं, आप लोग स्टार्ट कर दो। ऑलमोस्ट जसलीन डिडंट ज्वाइन, जसलीन देखते हैं ज्वाइन करती है नहीं, जो भी होगा। इतना आप फर्स्ट वाला पार्ट स्टार्ट करो, और फर्स्ट और सेकंड होती है होमवर्क क्वेश्चंस थे, बट आई डिडंट रिसीव एनी, सो आई विल बी टेकिंग दोस क्वेश्चंस एज द प्रैक्टिस इन दिस क्लास, एंड देन विल बी स्टार्टिंग द लास्ट टॉपिक ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड क्वेश्चंस करो आप लोग, 3 मिनट्स है, हाँ, 1.5 मिनट फॉर ईच क्वेश्चन। ठीक है बच्चे। आजमत आई थिंक आपने थे, आपको आता है वाला टॉपिक बच्चे?
जी जी आता है sir.
आता है तो चलो, दैट्स ग्रेट। करो करो, कोई क्वेश्चन करो, दैट्स अ गुड थिंग दैट यू नो दिस थिंग। हाय जसलीन, हाउ आर यू? बच्चे कहाँ थे आप? वर वेरी लेट.
Sorry, sir, I was studying for my paper.
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है, नो वरीज डियर. आई हैव गिवन द क्वेश्चन. सो हैव यू डन दोस क्वेश्चन व्हिच आई हैव गिवन इन एज अ होमवर्क? Yes, Jasleen.
Sir, I didn't receive it.
अच्छा ठीक है. So no worries dear, I these questions I've given as the homework, but okay. So first two question I'm basically it's for like you have to solve, try it at least 2 minutes. Any answer from anybody? Samina, Jasli, Kiran and Madiha and Azmat. Please let me know once. Samina, Kiran, Madiha, any answer?
We're trying to solve it.
Okay, trying to solve. Okay, take your solve. Okay, solve. Take your time.
So for the first one, I got one.
Okay, first one you got one. Very good. Okay, I will you can verify when I will solve. What about the second one? Try to solve it, Kiran.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah, solve it. Till then, Jaslyn, you also solve dear. Asmat, any answer?
I'm doing sir still.
Doing okay. Do it. Jaldi se.
So for the second one, I got two.
Okay, Kiran, very good. Any answer from anybody? Madiha, are you there, bache? Madiha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, dear, are you able to solve these questions? Please let me know once.
Sir, first one is 1.
First one is one. Okay, and Madiha, oh sorry, Azmat and Kiran got the same answer of first part. Okay, solve
My
it
first
again.
one is one.
Okay, it's Samina set of first one is one. Chalo. Jasleen, any answer?
I do the third one.
You are saying something, Jasleen. It's your voice is cracking.
Sir, I'm doing the third one.
You are doing the
Third one.
third one. Okay. What about you have solved the first one?
Yes, sir, I got one.
Okay, second one also solved.
Yeah, I got two.
Okay, chalo. But so you have I've given the two questions first. Okay, no worries. So let's do. Okay, Jasleen, stop there. Okay, that's very good that you are able to solve the questions. Everybody, the very good that you got the right answer. Very good. So let's solve the first one. Jaldi se. So first is sine 60. Sorry, into cos 30 plus sine 30 into cos 60 divided by इसकी कोई given अच्छा वैल्यू नहीं है तो देखो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ sin 60?
Root 3 by 2.
√3/2. Very good. What is the value of cos 30?
Root 3 by 2.
√3/2. Very good. What is the value of sin 30?
1 by 2.
1/2. What is the value of cos 60/2? So I cos 60.
1
Yeah,
by 2.
it's 1 by 2. Very good. It's 1 by 2. So root 3 into root 3 will get 3 and divided by 4 plus 1 by 4. You can see this thing. So it's denominator is same. So you can directly add them up. So 4. So it's 1. So those who got the one on as 1. So it's correct. Let's solve the second one. So that is 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60 degree. Please tell me what is the value of tan 45?
1
1 square करना है उसका. What is the value of cos 30 degree?
root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2 whole square. What is the value of sin 60?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2 whole square. So this will get cancelled, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And the only thing is left is 2. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Giving you last 1 minute to solve this one. Clear? जल्दी से solve करो इसको. Any answer?
$67 by 12.
Okay. It's Jasleen or Madiha?
Sir Jocelyn.
Jasleen. Okay. Any answer from anybody? Azmat, Kiran, and Samina?
I got 67 by 2 as 12 as well.
Kiran and Jasleen got the answer. Okay, चलो ठीक है.
Sir, even I got.
Okay. Okay, let's solve it together. Chalo. So this question is fifth one. Okay. So 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45. Okay, I got one answer from Samina. ठीक है Samina. So it is sin square 30 plus cos square 30 degree. So what is the value of cos 60 degree? It's 1 by 2 square. What is the value of sec 30 degree? It is 4 sec 30 cos 30. It's 2 by root 3. Yes or no? Minus 1. Yes or no? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
What is the value of sin 30 degree? It's half square plus what is the value of cos 30 degree? It's root 3 by 2 square. Yes or no? Is equals to 5 by 4 plus 4 into 4 divided by 3 minus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 divided by 3 by 4. Let's solve the upper part. Okay. So इसका LCM लेते हैं. So this LCM will be 12. ठीक है. 4 3s are 12. 3 is the quotient and it will get multiplied by 5. So it's 15 plus 16. This is it's 4 now. It's 4 root sec 30 is cos 30. ठीक है, ठीक है. So it's 4 by 3. So it will get 4 times. 16 4s are 64 minus 12 times. ठीक है. Divided by 4 by 4 which is 1. So यानी कि यहाँ पे आपका बच रहा है 67 by 12. This is the answer. Clear? Okay, so let's do the one type of question basically based. This is a 3 mark question and it's a very, you can say, like it's very common question, you can say, or very like mostly asked question in the schools, in the boards, in the pre-boards as well. So this question is given as the terms or the angles are not given individually. Instead of individual, they are given as the sum. Yes or no? Clear? So let's take, let's how we will find it out this one. So the value of sine A minus B is given as half cos A plus B is given as half. Okay, this is the equation 1. This is the equation 2. And this condition is given as, okay, so A plus B cannot be like small, like greater than 90. It should be smaller or equals to 90. If you add the A plus B, it should be the maximum it can be is, it can be 90 degree, because right angle triangle ऑलरेडी 90 डिग्री होता है, तो दो एंगल यू हैव गिवन, सो ये इनका सम मैक्सिमम कितना हो सकता है? 90 हो सकता है ना, ट्राइंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी से. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. And
Yes, sir.
one more equation condition is given that A in this question, A is greater than B. A is greater than B. Clear है? So we have to find the value of A and B. Clear? So now everybody see this thing. Sine is given in this angle and 1 by 2 is given on the right hand side. So I have to convert this 1 by 2 in terms of sine. Can anybody tell me 1 by 2 is equal sine? How can I convert it?
We can say that as half. I mean, 30 degrees.
Sine, can I write half as sine 30?
Yeah.
Okay. Similarly, cos is given on the right hand in the another equation. A plus B is equals to, it is equals to what? Can anybody tell me? cos 60? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If I compare the angle, this is the sine angle, this is the sine angle. Can I, if I comparing, can I say that A minus B is equals to 30 degree in this equation? Yes or no? This is the third equation. Please let me know if it's clear or not.
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes.
if I compare this thing, if suppose that I have two hands, I have or you can say, have you seen the weighing machine in the old like weighing machine? Have you seen like in that's in the jeweler as well? Small weighing machines are there. Okay, and this is a kind of pointer here and weighing machine. So आप कंपेयर क्या करते हो? कंपेयर इसके अंदर की चीज रखी हुई करते हो ना एक दूसरे से, तभी तो आप कहते हो कि yes these are equals if this pointer is at constant position. ये सुनो, तराजू देखा आपने? तराजू जिसे कहते हैं हिंदी में.
Yes, sir.
सो
Yes.
इसे टाइप का होता है ना तराजू. जब आप लाइक इन इंडिया लाइक सुपरमार्केट्स की तो बात अलग है. जब आप नॉर्मल किसी भी ग्रोसरी स्टोर पे जाते हो तो लाइक दे वे, अब तो डिजिटल आ गए, बट इन दी लाइक कुछ टाइम पहले तक जब तक डिजिटल नहीं थे, तब इसी टाइप के वो हुआ करते थे वेइंग मशीन्स. या फिर हाथ में लेके लाइक दे टेक दैट वेइंग मशीन इन द हैंड एंड दे पुट द weighing bar 1 kg 2 kg on the one side and the your object or your grocery on the right hand side. Yes or no? तो आप लोग ग्रोसरी को ही तो उस चीज को ही तो वो करते थे ना कंपेयर, कि भाई ग्रोसरी मेंटेन हुई है कि नहीं हुई है, लाइक 1 kg हुई है नहीं हुई है. यस और नो? सो इसी तरीके से दैट्स द सिमिलर थिंग. आप ये कंपेयर करते हैं कि भाई दोनों साइड द फंक्शन इज सेम, साइन फंक्शन इज देयर, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो इज देयर, साइन इज देयर. इनसाइड द साइन and inside this sign a minus b is given and sin 30 is given. It means that these are equal. Yes or no? Please let me know this part.
Yes, sir.
And a plus b on the same side, a plus b can be written as 60 degree. Can I write
Yes.
this? Because both the sides cost ratio is there, and inside that cost ratio, both the cost ratios are equal. It means that the angle inside them will also be equal to each other. So a plus b can be written as, it will be equal to 60 degree.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now we can see this. I have to, this is a linear equation in two variables. To solve this linear equation, we have two methods. One is elimination method, one is substitution method. So now you can see this thing directly. If I add on the right hand side, b will get eliminated because negative b, positive b. This will get eliminated, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's add equation 3 and equation 4. So a plus b is equals to 60. A minus b is equals to 30 divided by, if you add them, this, if you add this b, this will get cancelled. A plus c कितना होता है? 2a is equals to 60 plus 30, it's 90 degree. So a is equals to कितना आ जाएगा? A will be equals to 45. Clear? 2a is 90, then a will be equals to 45, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
substitute this substitute the value of a in any of the equation. In third or fourth, you can substitute in any of the equation. Okay, let's substitute this a in third equation. Substituting equation, not substituting equation, substituting a is equals to 45 degree in equation 3. So a is 45 minus b is equals to 30 degree. So let's shift them so that b on the right hand side and 30 on the left hand side, so that the constant on the one hand and the variable on the another hand. So b is equals to what? It's 15 degree. Now see this thing, both the conditions are getting satisfied. If you add them, 45 plus 15, what is the value? 45 plus 15, it's 60. So a plus 5 is greater than 0. Obviously by 60 से बड़ा है. A plus b को if you add them, a plus b, this is equals to this is greater than 0 degree, which is 60 degree, obviously. And it can be less than or equals to, mean it can, the maximum it can be 90, and the lower it can be like it can be greater than the 0. So it's 60, it's lying between this ring. So first condition is getting satisfied. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Please let me know if you have any doubt. Please ask the doubt. Don't hesitate and don't be shy. Okay, this is a learning class, so you don't have to worry about anything. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Please let me know once I'm asking. If it's not clear, please let me know once again.
No, sir, it's fine.
It's fine?
Clear, sir.
Okay, what about Madiha and Nazmat? Are you there? Madiha and Nazmat? Samina? Jasleen?
Sir, it's clear.
चलो ठीक है ठीक है okay. And here A is greater than B, yes or no? It's satisfied. A is 45, B is 15. So A is greater than B, yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
this condition is getting satisfied, na? If this condition is not getting satisfied, it means that we haven't solved the questions correctly. So we have to solve that question again if this condition is not getting satisfied. But both the conditions are getting satisfied. Clear? Hai? So
Yes, sir.
So if I give you one question similarly, would you like to try?
Yes, sir.
That question is basically in terms of tan. Give it a try at least, else we'll solve this. Same conditions, but the ratios are different. That is tan. It's visible, right? Okay, so I got one answer. Samina. Okay, Samina. Any answer from anybody? Jasleen, Kiran, Madiha?
Done, sir.
Okay, very good. It's I think it's Kiran or Jasleen.
Madiha.
अच्छा, मदिहा. एक्चुअली वो आप लोगों की वॉइस बहुत सिमिलर है ना, तो इसलिए मुझे कंफ्यूजन हो जाती है. सॉरी फॉर दी ये कंफ्यूजन जो होती है, आप लोगों का गलत नेम प्रोनाउंस कर देता हूँ.
It's okay, sir.
एनी आंसर? अच्छा, एक और आंसर है. हु इज दिस? अच्छा, इस किरण. चलो ठीक है किरण, इट्स ग्रेट. व्हाट अबाउट अजमत, जसलीन एंड ओके, लेट्स सॉल्व इट टुगेदर. आई थिंक. चलो कोई मसला नहीं, नो वरीज. लाइक दोज हु हैव सॉल्व्ड इट्स गुड एंड दोज हु आर नॉट, इट्स आल्सो फाइन. नो वरीज. Does anybody want any extra minute to solve this? Those who are solving, if you want extra minute, please let me know. I will wait for a minute. If not, else we'll start. Any answer from Jasleen? Give me the answer. Okay, so it's A. What about B, Jasleen? Okay. Okay, let's solve it together. I've given enough time, but okay, so no worries. Let's solve it together. Okay. So it's there. So this question is saying tan a plus b is given as √3. Okay, is given as √3. Okay, so what we can do is that tan a plus b is given is equals to √3, and tan a plus a minus b is equals to 1 by √3. Okay, so what can I write tan ab, oh sorry, √3 in terms of tan?
60.
60. Yes, very good. Tan 60 is √3. A plus b is equals to tan 60 degrees. So comparing the angles, so you will get a plus b is equals to 60 degree. Yes or no? This is equation number 1. Suppose tan a minus b is equals to 1 by √3. Can anybody tell me what is the value of tan 1? How you can write that 1 by 3 in terms of tan?
30.
30. Very good. Comparing, you will get a minus b is equals to 30 degree. It means that this is the second equation. Now b is in, now what you can see this thing, if you add them up, the b will get eliminated. So adding 1 and 2. Okay, so a plus b is equals to 60 degree. A minus b is equals to 30 degree. Add them up. So this will get cancelled. 2 is equals to, a is equals to 90. So a will be equals to 45 degree. Clear? Substituted this a in value in the equation 1. So a is 45 plus b is equals to 60. So b will be equals to 15 degrees. Please let me know those who are like verify this. Please let me know any doubt.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Jasleen, Kiran, Samina, and Madiha and Azmat.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Dear Jasleen, maybe you have made some like a mistake while solving. Okay,
Yes, sir.
because 60 and 30 is 90. 92a will be equals to 45 now. Okay, so let's do. Okay, so 2 8's there. So just give me a moment. Let me. There will be an assessment after this class. Okay. Just a sec. So you have to give the assessment after this class. Okay, everybody.
Okay, sir.
I hope it's clear now. Any doubt till now, please let me know once.
No, sir.
चलो ठीक है, एक और क्वेश्चन लेते हैं and then this topic will be done in the next class. I think tomorrow is our next class, na? Oh, okay. So whenever we'll be having the next class, we'll be doing the last topic of this chapter, that is trigonometric identities. Clear, everybody? And one more thing, these kinds of question can be there in terms of sine or cos. So we have done this question in terms of tan, sine, and cos. So maybe another ratio can be used, but the concept will be same. Clear, everybody? I hope that you got my point, what I'm trying to say.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. So let's solve this one. So this is the first. Solve this one. So now tell me, first part. Is this basically sine A plus B is equals to sine A plus sine B?
No, sir.
Those who say yes, raise your hands first. Okay, those who say no, please raise your hands now. Please let me know in the chat. Okay, Samina only gave raised the hand. Okay, what about, let me check, Jasleen rose the, okay, what about Kiran, Madiha and Azmat? Okay, Azmat is not there. Maybe some network issue. Okay, so Kiran also. Madiha? Okay. So Madiha, okay. Madiha, you are like a little bit uh, in the doubt that it's equal or like it's correct or not.
Yes.
Okay, no issues. So basically this is false because in the angle it is A plus B. This is the single ratio, not different ratios. Okay. The value of sine theta increases as theta increases. Is it clear? Is it true? साइन थीटा साइन द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन 0 इज 0, देन उसके बाद हाफ होती है, देन उसके बाद 1/√2, देन उसके बाद √3/2, देन उसके बाद 1. सो इट इज इंक्रीजिंग ना, 0 to 1 इज गोइंग, सो इट्स इंक्रीजिंग, यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
सो इट इज ट्रू. ठीक है, सो इट इज ट्रू. नेक्स्ट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ cos थीटा इंक्रीजेस. The value of cos theta increases as theta increases. So cos theta starts from 1 because cos 0 is 1. Then it's √3/2. Then 1/√2. Then 1/2 and then 0. So it's increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing.
Decreasing, obviously. Clear? At least yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So let me raise this part. So this is false. The value of the sine theta is equals to cos theta for all values of theta. Is it true? Hmm? Is sine theta is equals to cos theta for all values of cos theta?
No, sir.
Remember, try to think a little bit.
No, sir.
Those who say yes, please raise your hand first. Okay, those who say no, please raise your hands now. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, so Madiha, you are a little bit in doubt now again. I think you didn't take the class, previous class, I think so.
No, sir.
So Madiha, do one thing there before, after going, like after ending the class, go and watch the recording of the previous class. Okay, bache?
Okay, sir.
You can do one thing. Okay, so the thing which I've taken in as the fundamentals and all the thing, go and watch the recording. Okay, so that you can understand the concept that we and after that recording, the questions that I'll like basically I will check some homework questions. So after that, you can go and like after after watching the recording, you will be able to solve these questions. Clear?
Okay, sir.
So this is false. Why false? Sine theta and cos theta is only equals when theta is 45 degree because the value coincide at 1/√2. I've drawn the graph to you. So this is the graph of sine theta, and this is the graph of cos theta. So this point of intersection is 45 degrees. Clear? So you will learn these things in the 11th class when you will take the maths. In the 11th class, the trigonometry chapter is in very detail. Okay. So now tell me, cot A is not defined at 0 degree. If cot A is not defined, if A is equals to 0 degree, is it true? Cot is the inverse of tan. Yes or no? Tan, can anybody tell me what is the value of tan 0?
Not defined.
Okay, Samina said not defined. It's Karan or Samina?
Kiran?
Kiran. Okay, okay. What about Samina, Jasleen, and Madiha?
Sir, 0.
0. Okay, Samina said 0. What about Jasleen and Madiha?
Sir, 0.
Okay, 0. Yeah, it's 0. So 0 by, it's basically the ratio is 0 by 1. If you write 0 by 1, it will be 0. So cot is the inverse of tan. So cot 0 will be equals to not defined. Clear? So it is true. Yes or no? Because if you inverse it, 1 by tan 0 degree. So 1 by 0 by 1. So this 1 will go in the numerator, double division. So 1 by 0 is what? Define or not define? Please tell me.
Not defined.
Not defined. Okay, Kiran, got it, Vijay? So
Yes,
I'm
sir.
not erasing. Okay, so I'm not erasing. So it will be false. Oh, sorry, it will be true. Clear? Eh? I hope it's clear now. Any doubt so far, dear? To anybody? So Madiha, after giving the assessment, go and check out the recordings, Vijay. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So for that you will be able to solve these questions, and so after in the coming class we'll be doing some kinds of questions as well. So that's why I'm saying it's necessary to watch this recording, okay, of the previous class one. Just give me a moment. Let me check any questions which is can be solved. Just give me a second. Okay, so so I don't think so that there's anything any question is left which is. So after this you can do one thing, everybody. just go and in the Learnivio app, PYQ module is there of the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. When you will go in the practice assignment section, in the trigonometric chapter, you will be able to find this as the topic 2. Okay. And for that, you can solve these questions. Some of the questions are there of the PYQs and okay, as a practice. Clear, everybody? At least yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Clear, eh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So after that, this is the kinds of question that can be asked in the school exams and okay, so all the types of question that we have covered so far is done. So in the next class, we'll be starting the trigonometric identities. That is one of the most, you can say. All the topics are important, but directly sometimes straightforward 5 markers comes from that part. So, okay, clear? So in the next class, so we'll be doing that part. Clear, everybody? And till then, take care. Bye-bye. Okay, that's all for this class, everybody. I hope that's clear to everybody.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?